It's time to wake up to your radiance. Too many people are lost in the days of the grind. Wake up, go to work, pay the bills, then de-stress with some mind-numbing distractions. Maybe party on the weekends and repeat. Then, hopefully, manage a vacation or something in there somewhere when you finally realize that life is whizzing you by and waken to the fact that there is way more to life beyond the hamster wheel. You, however, have woken up out of your Netflix slumber and have found something better to do with your precious time. Dancing, singing, creating, music and all kinds of art, cooking, healing, adventuring, building, reading, learning, teaching, and just diving deep into what makes your soul smile. Replacing what turns you off with what turns you on. Time ceases to exist as you are home in your tornado of creative flow, the mind bursting with ideas, the body excited to be utilized in all of its capacity, and in this raw essence of pure joy and fulfillment, your soul radiates in full-on supernova. Now, what if I told you you could feel like this every day? What if I told you you could get paid to feel like this full time? Passion is the hottest commodity on the market. And since the invention of the internet, smartphones, and social media, it is the easiest time in history for anyone to take the reins of their life and do literally anything you love for a living. And in financial abundance, not just scraping by paycheck to paycheck off the crumbs of the entrepreneur you're working for that took action instead of you. Let that one sink in. In case you didn't know, these days, creatives and specialists are in high demand and are making around 10 times or more for their time than those still paid on the hourly grind. You could be thriving not just monetarily, but also be wealthy and fully enriched with freedoms, such as holding your boundaries of choice to only do the work that you love and only with those that you vibe with. No more dealing with demoralizing customers out of fear of losing your job, for just holding respect for yourself. You could be dictating your own schedule, regaining ownership and sovereignty of your precious time that you would never get back, and swimming in authentic connection, while continuously basking in the exponential, fulfilling life experience, all while doing what absolutely sets your heart on fire. You know what they say, in the end, it's not the years in your life that count, it's the life in those years. And it's the future. Anything is possible. Besides, robots and tech are taking over all those stable jobs that we were pushed into anyhow. And 2020 just accelerated this to further cut corners and automate just to survive. And you know who survived those layoffs? The independent and free-thinking entrepreneurs who, instead of just spending all their time building up someone else's business, built their own. Free thinkers who left the nest, cashed in on their own innate skills, and are so passionate about what they love to do that work flows like water. If there's one thing AI can't do yet, it's mimic the authentic, emotionally relatable, moth to a flame energy generated by the fiercely magnetic passion and explosive creativity original only to the raw expression unleashed by the human spirit. Hi, I'm Kassy Nova, and I'm here to activate the supernova within you. Take my hand, let's escape the matrix. With over 10 years of experience in everything from wellness to circus, following my passions and building empires off of each and every one, even with the unexpected ebbs and flows of life, and on top of my unwillingness to stay pinned down in one place for too long, I realized that with every single skill that I have found exciting and made my breadwinner, they all follow the same template to independent success. And now, it is my duty to share this foundation of freedom with the world, because I wholeheartedly believe that the frequency of joy and authentic, passionate living is what will heal the wounds of this society. Joy is contagious and spreads like wildfire. What did people do when the world shut down? They immediately lunged for their hobbies and what makes them happy. Do you even realize how many people you could heal and make smile just by being yourself? and doing what you like to do? Look at everyone that you admire, those you follow and wish you could be like someday. Stop wishing, take action. If they can do it, so can you. As Jim Rohn says, it's time to build your boat and escape your deserted someday isle. Everyone holds the keys to their own fulfillment in life. And don't worry, we will finally work you through the locks of the limiting self-beliefs this society has brainwashed into you. You are not just a cog in the wheel. You hold something truly special within you, just crying to get out. No matter what happens in the world, this foolproof system has launched hundreds of my clients to date and has proven time and time again to be your rock of stability, giving you the freedom to do whatever it is that your heart desires as much as it changes, and all while handling anything that life throws at you with grace and unshakable flow. You deserve a free and colorful life of inspired living, do you not? And out of my own passion to activate the joy in this world, I have created the system to give you these results. The question is, do you have the courage to harness your own freedom? Are you ready to take control of your life and live your dreams? You can lead a horse to water, but you can't make them drink. So I will ask you again. Do you have the courage to activate your life? And if so, you are not alone, and you are no longer lost. You now have access to the direct highway to everything you've ever dreamed of. And all you have to do is follow the map, keep driving, and trust the process. And don't give up. Why? Because you are so worth it.